I'm here at AILA 2025. I'm in Blast in Denver, Colorado, and I met a new friend, Yener, at Virtual Latinos. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me. So good to meet you.
I appreciate that. Tell me about Virtual Latinos. How did it start? How did it come about?
So Virtual Latinos is a remote work staffing agency that connects talent from all over Latin America with companies worldwide. Our solution was initially to be able to help our internal marketing agency, but evolved from there to be able to help any type of businesses who are looking to scale with a cost-effective solution to grow their teams.
Wonderful. And how long have you been doing this?
We've been in the business for 8 years now. Wow. We were the first platform to ever offer talent from Latin America. And what makes us very unique is that we built in that course of 8 years our internal community of talent from 20 different countries, all pre-vetted talent that speaks at least C1 level English.
Very cool. And so what's been a big part of the conference right now? What do you see immigration lawyers like most about Virtual Latinos?
Yeah, what immigration lawyers really appreciate about Virtual Latinos is how they can scale their teams with legal assistants, intake specialists, case managers, all these administratives, customer support type of roles, which could be difficult to fill in. With paralegals right now in the US, it's getting more and more difficult to come by. We're becoming an added solution to be able to help them scale, especially for the new solo practitioners. They're coming into the industry. It's a big challenge for them to be able to scale a business in the earlier stages. This becomes a really good solution for them to get in the game.
So do you do it based on case, or is it hourly, or just somebody hires you full time? How does this person, how did you get started?
Yeah, that's a great question. So it's hourly based. We have a minimum of hiring of one person at least, part-time, 20 hours a week. And then we do have full-time as well, but it is an hourly base. We do a custom recruitment process for each client. We present 3 to 4 candidates. You get to interview all of them and hire one person that is going to be solely dedicated to your firm.
Okay. And if for some reason it just didn't work out with them, you're not connecting with them, what do they do then?
So your initial commitment is the first 80 hours. Once that period is finalized, if you're not happy with your talent, we do offer a free replacement process at no cost to the clients, or you can cancel the services. So there is not a long-term agreement in place. And one key thing here that the clients appreciate, especially in this conference, is that it becomes a huge tax benefit because you're not legally hiring a talent, you're hiring a service. We're a US-based company located in San Diego, California. So that becomes an added advantage of hiring a talent for us.
And for me, it's like not dealing with HR and this and that. And it's like, that's really going this direction now because it's too much on my plate already. And I don't want to deal with hiring fires. I deal with company as opposed to like individual employees, all that
exactly.
Stuff.
And I'll say one more thing is that once you hire a talent through us, we give you a dedicated HR person for your firm. So as long as you continue to grow your team with us, you have this dedicated HR person that is there for any type of conflict resolution. And they check with you and as well as with the talent to make sure that we're building a long-term relationship for both parties.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much. I'm so glad I stopped by.
Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
Same here. Thank you.
You.